This is another of the installations during this year's Desert X. I am in the midst of this combination of mechanical bull and reflective, kind of like solar panel. It's not a solar panel, but it looks like one. García Torres, I believe, is the artist, and looking for the sky while maintaining equilibrium. I think that's the name of the piece. And it's a conglomerate of mechanical bulls with platforms that move, swivel, tilt. It creates this like interesting humming noise, and it's supposed to be or talk about the beauty of the desert, the danger of the desert through the lens of the cowboy culture. So bringing these machines, robots almost, that challenge you not to be afraid, because there's no one trying to rule or dominate. I think it's a dialogue as well about how humans have also or have always tried to dominate, tame, and extract things from our environment. The view is spectacular, the piece is incredible, and the mechanical bulls are arranged as if they were part of a herd. So with the here as well, the view of the plain is gorgeous. Mount San Jacinto always overlooking almost all the pieces. So that's a pretty omnipresent detail, that dominates the experience. I don't know if you can hear the sound, but it's very intriguing. It's also this piece also talks about, I would call it toxic masculinity, the wild west. So we'll be finding out more when we come here to paint and discover what the artist wanted to communicate with this spectacular installation. Hope you join us.